Bonaire and IDE goes back quite a while. It goes back, as Fredo said, to 1986 with the first mechanical vapor compression systems installation here in the island that provided water, desalinated water for the island. And the nice thing about this history is that today we're actually writing a new chapter in the story, right? A new chapter to the book, a new chapter of partnership that has a beginning of a partnership. And while this chapter comes to everyone and to us particularly with great excitement, it actually comes also with great responsibility, a significant burden on our shoulder, the burden of succeeding in providing desalinated water to this growing island and the growing demand in this island. As an Israeli company that built over 400 installations in 40 countries in its 6 decades of operation, built probably some of the more complicated desalination projects and probably the most innovative desalination projects in the world, I can assure you that we definitely understand what does it mean to provide water and what does it mean water scarcity and water demand in a situation like the island of Bonaire. But I also want to assure you, just as our company values express, that we own this responsibility and that we will bring our best and be a pro in making sure that this project will be a success and that you will be delivered with the water that you expect to be delivered. Further, I would like to thank you, and I would like also to congratulate you for building and having such a great and professional team that we had the pleasure to work with in the last couple of days and the last couple of years, I should say, throughout the process of this initiation of the project. I think that we experienced a very, very professional procurement process and project development, and we are very excited to reach this point today of signing the contract. Finally, as I mentioned earlier, this is a new chapter in the story of Bonaire and IDE. And it's a story or a chapter that I would like to say it's a chapter about partnership and about succeeding in delivering this project together. Or as we like to say in IDE, we are your water partner. Thank you.